Hi, my name is Dee Russell. I'm one of the dental hygienists here at Total Transformation Dental and Spa. Today I'd like to talk to you about a Waterpik and the many benefits that you would receive from using a Waterpik. That is a regular use of Waterpik. For many people, flossing is a challenge. Either it's just difficult to reach the back teeth or they just aren't comfortable with doing it. The Waterpik is an excellent substitute or an addition to string floss. Why is flossing important? You've got to keep the bacteria count down in your mouth if you want to have healthy gums and a healthy body. This is the model that we prefer. It's a Waterpik Aquarius. It has a lot of great features that I'm going to tell you about. It comes with 5 or 6 different tips. This tip is called the Classic tip. In the Aquarius Professional model, you can actually get 3 of these with a color-coded band. That way, more than one family member can get the benefits from the Waterpik. My favorite feature of this model is the on and off switch on the handle. This button will turn it on. You'll hear the motor come on. Don't flip this up till you get it in the mouth, and that way you have much better control of the water. You won't spray yourself in the face or spray your bathroom. To get started, you simply lift the lid and put water in the reservoir. I personally recommend using warm water. It's closer to your body temperature, and if you happen to have some cold sensitive teeth, it's not going to hurt them. This top button here, when you depress it, it will turn it on. You'll hear a motor come on. Like we already talked about, make sure this button is in the off position. This dial is very important. You will see the numbers 1 to 10. The higher the number, the stronger the pressure or stream of water coming out of the tip. If you're a beginner to the Waterpik, I highly recommend starting on a lower number. If you were to accidentally start high, the pressure is going to be high and it could easily hurt your gums. So start on a lower number and over time, work your way up to a higher number. Now, just how do you use the Waterpik? It's very simple. You take the tip and you place it on the tooth right close to the gum and just sweep it back and forth like this. You want to go across each tooth several times to make sure the Waterpik has plenty of time to flush out all the bacteria under the gum as well as in between the teeth. Please hold it a good 3 to 5 seconds between each tooth. That way you'll make sure to have time to get the bacteria out. You want to go all the way around the outside as well as underneath in that same motion. Sweeping around each tooth at the gum line several times and holding it in between 3 to 5 seconds. Some of these other tips are very, very beneficial. This one, for instance, has a short, dense bristles. It is excellent for people with orthodontics. When you have the brackets bonded to each tooth, it's good to go around like that, and it's great for removing the bacteria. While you're going around the bracket, the water is coming out the center to help you wash off all the bacteria and food. This tip with some longer bristles is good for crown and bridge. The margin of the crown will often end just short of the gum line and sometimes right above it. By sweeping around like that, you'll keep that margin very clean and help prevent decay and gum infection there. This is just a simple toothbrush. It does not move like a power toothbrush, but with the water stream coming out of the center, it does work very well to clean the big surfaces of the teeth. You would need to make sure you're also using the Classic tip in addition to the toothbrush, because you want to concentrate on getting the water up underneath the gum as well as in between the teeth. This is a Waterpik tip. It's a very specialized tip. You would only want to use this if your hygienist or your dentist recommends it, and there will be some very specific instructions on how to use it. This model will come with a quad pacer. What that's telling you is every 30 seconds, there'll be a slight pause in the motion or the work of the Waterpik. That is suggesting that after 2 minutes, you would probably be finished. This tank of water only takes about 90 seconds to run out. I'm not a big fan of the quad pacer because I don't believe that is long enough for someone to use the Waterpik. I really like to encourage my patients to use a minimum of 2 tanks of water, one on the top, one on the bottom. If you're going slow or you're just feeling like it takes a little bit longer, by all means, please use more than 2 tanks. There's really no limit to what you can use other than it just takes a little more of your time. The Waterpik is available in many locations. You can find it online. We sell it here. Amazon, Target, CVS, Walgreens. It's available in a lot of places. If you're thinking about getting one, please get the Waterpik Aquarius. There are some rechargeable models that might save you $10 or $15. They don't have the capacity, they don't have the strength of this. The tank is a lot smaller and you have to refill it a lot, and that gets frustrating. So if you're having trouble flossing or you just want to make sure that you're keeping your gums in their optimal good health, please consider getting a Waterpik. Thank you very much.